Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 2. Now the question number 1. The relation f is defined by function x square if x is greater than equal than 0 but less than equal than 3. If x is greater than equal than 3 but less than and equal than 10, it is 3x. Okay. Now the relation g is defined by the x square when x is greater than equal than 0 but less than 2, and the 3x when x is greater than 2 but less than equal to 10. Show that f is a function and g is not a function. Okay. If x is equal to 0, if the value for 0, it is 0 greater than 3 is greater than equal than 0 less than 3. Now the function is x. Now the function is equal to x square. Okay. And for x is greater than 3 but less than equal than 10, it is 3x. Function is 3x. For this equal to 3x, and for 0 to 3 is x square. Okay. So now the function at x equal to 3. Okay. At x equal to 3, the first function equal to 3 square equal to 9. And for this x equal to 3, for this fx equal to 3x, it is 3 into 3, 9. It means x equal to 3, fx equal to 9. Therefore, if x equal to 3, it means the function value is 9. Okay, it is a single image. Okay, single image. Hence, for x is greater than equal than 0 to 10, the image of fx is unique. For the images of fx are unique. Unique means each number has its unique image. Therefore, the given relation is a function. Therefore, the given relation is a function. The given relation is a function. Okay. Now for the second. Okay. For gx, the function gx equal to such and such. For x equal to 2. For x equal to 2. Now the function gx equal to x square, it means 2 square equal to 4. And the next, and again for 2, gx equal to 3x, it means 3 into 2, 6. It means that the element 2 has two images. Okay. The element 2 is the corresponding images are 2, 4 and 6. Therefore, this relation is not a function. The element 2 of the domain, okay, of the relation G corresponded to 2. The different images. It has different images. Different images means 2 and 6. Therefore, this relation is not a function. This relation is not a function. Okay. For function, each element has its unique image. Okay. Now question number 2. If fx equal to x square, find f 1.1 minus f1 by 1.1 minus 1. Okay. The function is given that fx equal to x square. Hence, find the value of f 1.1 minus f1 divided by 1.1 minus 1. It is 1.1 square minus 1 square and divided by 1.1 minus it is 0. 1.1 square is 1.21 minus 1 by 0.1. Okay. 0.21 divided by 0.10. It is also equal to decimal cancel. The value is 2.1. Okay. The value of this function is equal to 2.1. Question number 3. Find the domain of the function fx x square plus 2x plus 1 by x square minus 8x plus 12. Find the domain of the function. Okay. The function is x square plus 2x plus 1 and x square minus gx plus 12. Now 8x plus 12. Now factorize the denominator. The value equal to, factorization is x minus 2 and x minus 6. Okay. So it is clearly the function f is defined for all the real numbers except 2 and 6. When x equal to 2 and x equal to 6, the function becomes 0. Thus the domain of function is real number except 2 and 6. Except 2 and 6. This is the domain. Okay. Question number 4. Find the domain and range of the real function f defined by fx equal to under root x minus 1. Domain and the range of the function. The function fx equal to root x minus 1. Clearly that the under root x minus 1 is defined for when x minus 1 is greater than equal than 0. It is defined for when x minus 1 is greater than equal than 0. So the function under root x minus 1 is defined for x is greater than equal than 1. X minus 1 is greater than equal than 0. It means x is greater than equal than 1. Thus the domain of the function is the set of all real numbers. Is a set of all real numbers. All real numbers. Numbers greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1. Set of all real numbers greater than or equal than 1. Therefore range equal to, as x is greater than equal than 1, it means x minus 1 is greater than equal than 0. Therefore the function is also greater than equal than 0. The range of all the numbers, the domain is, now that right here, domain of function equal to 1 to infinity. Greater than equal than 1 के लिए it means 1 to infinity, and the range of function is 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. Okay. The domain is greater than equal than 1 and the range is greater than equal than 0. Therefore range is 0 to infinity and domain is 1 to infinity. Fifth, find the domain and range of the real function fx equal to modulus x minus 1. Mod value of x minus 1. Fx equal to mod value of x minus 1. Clearly the function x minus 1 is defined for all real numbers. This belongs to all real number. Therefore the domain of function equal to all real numbers. Okay. Now for x belongs to real number, therefore x minus 1 assumes all real number. Therefore all mod x minus 1 is on all real numbers. Okay, therefore the range of function is equal to set of all non-negative real numbers. Set of all non-negative real numbers. Non-negative real numbers. Okay, the modulus it is all non-negative real numbers. This is the range. The question number 6. Let the function x comma x square upon 1 plus x square, x belongs to a real number, be a function from real to real. Determine the range of the function. It is a function from real number to real number. Determine the range of the function. The function is x square plus 1 plus x. We know that the first element is a domain and the second element is known as the range. Okay. Now just put the different values of x like 0, 0.5, plus minus 0.5, 1, plus minus 1.5 and so on. Now put the values. So we get the sets 0, 0. If we put plus minus 0.5, 0.5, so we get 1 by 5. If we put plus minus 1, the next term is 1 by 2. If we put plus minus 1.5, we get 9 by 13 and so on. Okay. So we know that each element is less than, the range is always less than 1, but it is greater than 0. The range is greater than equal than 0 but less than 1. This is the denominator is always greater than the numerator. So we know that the x belongs to a real number. X is a real number. Then 1 x square is greater than equal than 0. So we can write 1 plus x square is also greater than equal than x square. 1 plus x square is greater than equal than x square. So 1 is greater than equal than x square upon x square plus 1. Therefore the range of function is 0 to 1. 0 to 1. It means that this is the range 0 to 1 but less than 1. Okay, the values is less than 1. The range is 0 to 1. Okay. Next question. The 7th question is, let f and g belongs to a real numbers. We define respectively fx equal to x plus 1, gx 2x plus 2x minus 3. Find the f plus g, f minus g and f upon g. Okay. This is the function. Fx equal to x plus 1 and gx 2x minus 3. We have to find the f plus g. F plus gx. So we can write fx plus gx. Okay. Now fx is x plus 1 and gx is 2x minus 3. The value is 3x minus 2. This is the f plus gx. Okay. Now the next f minus g x. The same function fx minus gx. It is x plus 1 minus 2x minus 3. It is x plus 1 minus 2x plus 3. It is 4 minus x or minus x plus 4. Okay. And the next f upon g of x. It is fx upon gx. Where gx is not equal to 0. तभी डिवाइड हो सकता है when gx is not equal to 0 and x belongs to a real number. Now x plus 1 upon 2x minus 3. Okay. and 2x minus 3 not equal to 0. It is x is not equal to 3 by 2. Thus the f on gx equal to this, where x is not equal to 3 by 2. Okay, next question. Let f equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3 be the function from z to z. Z to means integers to integers, defined by fx equal to ax plus b for some integers a and b. Determine a, b. F is given that f equal to set of 1, 1. It is a domain, this is the range. When 2, 3, 0, minus 1, and the fourth is minus 1, minus 3. Okay. Now it is a function equal to ax plus b. Okay. Now for f for 1, 1 belongs to the function, it means if we put f equal 1, the value equal to 1. This is the range, this is the domain. Okay, so now put ax plus b, it is a into 1 plus b equal to 1. This is the first equation. Now take another point from this 0, 1 for 0 minus 1 belongs to function. So now put x equal to 0, a into 0 plus b, it is equal to minus 1. This is the second equation. We get b equal to minus 1 and put the value of b in the equation number 1. So a minus 1 equal to 1, it means a equal to 2. The values of a and b are a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 1. Question number 9. Let R be a relation from natural number to natural numbers defined by RAB, where AB belongs to natural number and A equal to B square. Are the following true? AA belongs to real number for all A belongs to natural number. AB real number implies BA also real, and AB real, BC real implies A real. Which statement is true? The relation is given that such that AB. Okay, the relation is A equal to B square. For take A equal to 0, this will also equal to 0. 1, 1. But if we want to take 2, for the 2, it is true for 1 but not for the true. See, if 2 belongs to a natural number. Okay. So, however, 2 and 2 square. This is the relation. So, 2 and 4. 2 square equal to 4. But the relation is AA. In the first is given that AA belongs to R. For all A belongs to a real number. But here is the 2 and 4. Same number नहीं है, इसलिए it is not true. It is not true for all natural numbers. Okay. The statement AA belongs to R for all natural numbers, it is not true. Only 1 for 1 it is true. And the second is AB implies to AB belongs to real numbers and implies second BA also belongs to R. Check this. If we take clearly 9, the 9 means 3 belongs to natural number. Okay, and 9 equal to 3 square equal to 9. Then 3 is not equal to 9 square equal to 81. Okay, therefore 3, 9 doesn't belongs to natural number. This statement AB belongs to R but BA doesn't belongs to R. So, just opposite 3, 9 and 9, 3 not equal to each other. Therefore, it doesn't belongs to the relation. Therefore, this statement is not true. It is not true. Okay. The relation 3, 9 and 9, 81. This is the, but not the A, B or B, A doesn't belong to same. And the third one, if we take 2, 16, 4. Suppose 16, 4 belongs to relation. Doesn't belong to relation. Suppose 16, 4 belongs to relation and 4, 2 also belongs to relation. But because 16, 4, but 2 belongs to natural number, 16 equal to 4 square and 4 equal to 2 square. So clearly it is not true for all. By 16 not equal to 2 square, na? Equal to 4. Therefore, AB belongs to relation. AB belongs to relations and BC also belongs to relation. Okay. But AC doesn't belongs to relation. It means it is not true. Okay. This relation is A equal to B square. The first number is the square of 1. 9, 81, 9, 9, 9, 3. A, B square, 9, 3. 81, 9. This is the relation. Okay. These are not true for all relations. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. Set hand. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, B and F is 1, 5, 2, 9, 3, 1, 4, 5, 2, 1. Set of this. Are the following true? F is a relation from A to B. F is a function from A to B. Justify your answer in each case. Okay. Two sets. First we have find the product of A into B. जब प्रोडक्ट आएगा तब देखेंगे कि ये इसका सबसेट है नहीं. 1 1 1 5 1 9 1 11 product 1 15 1 16. Now 2 1 2 5 2 9 2 11 2 15 and 2 16. 2 16. Same 3 3 1 3 5 3 9 3 11 3 15 3 16. Now last 4 1. This is the product of A into B. 4 9 4 11 4 15 and 4 16. This is the product. Now the function f is given that the set of 1 5 2 9 3 1 4 5 3 1 4 5 and 2 11. Now we check it is a subset of this knot. 1 5 here clear, 2 9 clear, 3 1 4 5 and 2 11. Therefore A is a relation, non-empty set A to B if is a subset of A and B. लिखेंगे F is a subset of relation R. Subset is a relation R. It means F is a subset of A into B. Therefore, the F is a relation from A to B. F is a relation from A to B. Clear? Now the function. Now check the function. For having the function in this relation, if it is a function, therefore the each element has the unique image. But here is 2. 2 has 2 images. 2 9, 2 11. Therefore it is not a function because the element 2 has 2. The element 2 has 2 images. two images 9 and 11. Therefore f is not a function. फंक्शन होने के लिए हर एक इमेज होना जरूरी है, हर एलिमेंट की यूनिक इमेज होनी चाहिए. और रिलेशन क्या होना चाहिए कि फंक्शन का ये जो फंक्शन दिया है ये सबसेट होना चाहिए, a इंटू बी का सबसेट होना चाहिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 11. f, let f be the subset of z into z defined by f equal to ab a plus b, where ab belongs to integers. Is f is a function from integer to integer? Justify your answer. क्या ये फंक्शन है या नहीं बताना है हमको. देखते हैं. a real. Okay, the function is ab a plus b. ab belongs to the integer. We know that a relation f from a set a to b is said to be a function if every element of set a has the unique image in the set b. This is the set a and this is the set b, unique image of a. Now we consider, suppose 3, 4, minus 3, minus 4 all are belongs to the integer. The function becomes 3 into 4, 3 plus 4, and second is minus 3 into minus 4 and minus 3 plus minus 4 belongs to this function. It is 7, 12, 7. It is 12 minus 7. Okay, belongs to the function. But it clearly that the same element 12 has two images. 12 has two images 7 and minus 7. Therefore, the function f is not a relation, f is not a function. Therefore, f is not a relation, not a function. For function, each have unique image. The 12 has two images. 12 has two images. Same element has two images, 7 and minus 7. Therefore, it is not a function. Okay, next question, last. Let a equal to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and let function a to natural number be defined by fn, the highest prime factor of n. Find the range of f. Set a is this defined to natural numbers, and the function is the highest prime number of the n, prime factor of n. This is the set a. Okay, the function is highest prime factor of n. So now the prime factorization of 3 is 3 into 3, 10, 2 into 5, 11, 1 into 11, and 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, and 13 is 1 into 13. Now the fn, highest prime factor, it means f9 equal to 3, f10 equal to 5, f11 equal to 11, f12 equal to 3, and f13 equal to 13. Okay, now the range is equal to 3, 5, 11 and 13. This is the range, 3 the same element, 3, 5, 11 and 13. This is the range of the function. Range of function is 3, 5, 11, 13. Okay, find the prime factors, and the highest prime factor is the function. The right highest prime factor of each element. Then the range is 3, 5, 11 and 13. Thank you.